Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're down here in Fiachra in County Galway, which is my granduncle's farm here. So we're in the middle of lambing at the moment, so I'm actually not too sure what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to be doing stuff to do with sheep anyway, so yeah, let's get into it.
Another one in
Dublin. Two happy, healthy lambs. I like a bit of drink anyway.
Yeah, really.
So now we need to ring the lambs' tails and balls, and then put the numbers on them. So you put, so say we're on number 3 now, so you put a 3 on the ewe and then a 3 on the lamb, so you know which is which and where they're supposed to be. And then put a brand which is the W, which is the farm's initial. So you put that on then, so if they break out into a neighbour's farm, you know whose they are. So that's just the ring going on there. And to the tail. And the ring just goes on the tail so that when they go out to grass, it doesn't get all covered in muck and everything. It just keeps them tidier. That just goes on like that, and then that'll go numb, and then it'll eventually fall off. The number 3 on their side, and then do the brand. And that's how I'm done. On to the next one. This side.
Yeah. This guy has a turned in eyelid. Ooh. So I'm going to turn it back out.
Right.
And now that'll stop it from being sore.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes they're born that way.
Right.
Same as this one, don't know why. So we'll flick it back out, and now that'll he'll be able to see a bit better. Might have to flick it out a few times, sometimes they go back in.
Okay.
And keep an eye on that.
Huh?
Yep.
Now we're going to put 2 sets of ewes and lambs into this box on the front of the tractor, and we're going to put them out to the field. So we'll get them into the box and we'll get going. Yeah, just on the set of lambs. Out to grass. Walk it out.